friends, my name is Karim Subhani. I am from Bokaro Jharkhand. I have completed my BE in 2015 from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. After completing my BE, I worked in a small scale industry in Jharkhand only. But when Corona came, I lost my job and I have no job in my hand. Suddenly, one of my friend told me about Evision Technoserve, and after knowing Evision Technoserve, I joined Evision Technoserve. The teachers of Evision Technoserve are so supportive. I learned lots of things about networking and many more, and now I have got a job in Impact Infotech Pvt Ltd in Kolkata. So thank you Evision.
Thank you, Evision.
Join Evision, join job.